Hi guys, it's Monday, December 21st, and I'm back with another video. In this one, I'll just be showing you guys my outfits for, let's say, this week, or maybe the next 2 weeks, aka the holiday season, what I'm wearing to work, / not. Anyway, you guys will see whatever it is I show you. But here we are. This sweater is Gigi Hadid x Tommy Hilfiger from a long time ago. I went through great lengths to find this sweater, so I'm glad I'm wearing it. It's super warm, like it's almost too warm sometimes, because at work, like if the heater is on and things, I'll just get too warm, but outside, perfect, because I'm always cold. Basically, I just tucked it into my black high-waisted Uncle Studios pants, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. And then I wore my Doc Martens, which I don't really wear that often, but I really like them actually, so I'm gonna try and wear them more this winter. But I wore that with this, and it just looks really like chill and cool. My boss complimented me on my shoes, lol. Ooh, also while I'm here, I got new winter boots, which I'm probably showed you guys me buying in my how much I spent in a week video, but they just got here on Monday. Super quick shipping via UPS on Amazon, but I know that USPS has a bunch of my packages and it's like almost like 10 days delayed, so if you haven't gotten your packages, I'm right there with you. And now I'm just gonna head and work out before my 7 p.m. class, but wanted to show you guys this fit. Adios. Okay, welcome back. It's Tuesday. Just got home. It's already dark outside. No comment. This is a trip. I legit leave the house and it's dark, and I come back and it's dark. So I guess it's always kind of dark in the winter. That's the thing. Anyway, it's Tuesday, December 22nd. Wow, I'm struggling. I'm always struggling. I think that's the honest answer. And I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. So let's do that. I'm wearing this old sweater that I had for years from Everline. Love it. Super oversized. Just, and this gray, like knitted material, like the detail on the sweater is beautiful. Anyhow, I'm also wearing, below that, I'm wearing this skirt from H&M. It's like one of these like bias cut skirts, the satin ones. I got this like last summer. This bright red color, you know how I do with color, so very out of the comfort zone. And then I'm wearing these boots. They're gray. I just thought I'd wear some gray boots with this gray sweater just to tie it in and make it more neutral since I'm wearing such a bright color. But yeah, I'm really excited to take these boots off because my dogs are barking. But I also wanted to tell you guys something. Like another way, like to better style this and give it more like silhouette and stuff would be if, like, I don't know if you guys have seen these clothing hacks, but like put a belt under here and hold the sweater up so the sweater is up a little bit, and so that you could see the skirt a little bit more and have it be more like, you know, just like more shape. Because this is super amorphous, which I am so about, but I could also just elevate it a bit by doing that little tuck thing so that you see more of the skirt here and more of my like form. Not that this is like super form-fitting or anything, that's not the vibe here, but you know, just to add a little something, I thought I'd throw that in there for you guys. Anywho, I'm gonna go. Oh, also my jewelry, before I forget, I'm wearing this Edge of Ember and In the Fro ear cuff. It's my first ear cuff and I really like it. It's just my Missouri earrings, and then I've already put away my rings, but I wear this Missouri Charlotte ring on my index finger every day pretty much. I also wear this thrifted ring that I got at a Housing Works a few months ago, like in the summer, also on this ring finger, my left ring finger, lol. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I love how intricate this detail is. Also wanted to give you guys the full effect here, just in case you couldn't see it in the thing. But yeah, really like this. Very Fatima. I also feel like you could take a belt and belt this up here at the waist to add more shape and make it even more fashion. So I'm back with just like a quick note on layering, because maybe you're wondering why / how I'm wearing a skirt in this weather, especially like a skirt that's this like light. Basically, I'm just wearing heat tech leggings, woo, which, you guys, super useful. Wore these in Paris the whole time I was there. Highly recommend. And also wearing a tank underneath my sweater, which was enough to keep me a-okay. But yeah, these are my layering bits, and I thought I wanted to share that just because, you know, winter styling, good to know. I'm gonna go change and work out before my MCAT class, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. If you guys don't know, I am loving the Taylor Swift album. Evermore is amazing. It's amazing. Cowboy Like Me is my probably my favorite song. The riff in it reminds me of something else, like another country song. So if you guys know, let me know what I'm thinking about, because it's like on the precipice of my remembrance, right? It's right there. Wish I had a pencil so I could pull it out and put it in there. No? Harry Potter reference? Okay, cool. I'm gonna stop being odd. Clearly I'm very energized for 10:30 in the morning. But basically I've been up already, I worked out, I cleaned my apartment, I just been on it. And I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing this dress that I got last year from H&M Conscious, which now I'm trying not to buy from like more fast fashion brands. I haven't really bought anything since I bought this like last year, but I love it. I love this dress so much, and the hack is I actually have a belt under here, a belt, surprise, that I use to like pull it up so that I can give it some shape. Otherwise it looks very amorphous and it looks like I don't have a bum, and as we know, I do have a bum. And sometimes I'd like it to show, because otherwise I just look like a box in a not pleasant way. Sometimes I do want to look like a box, like yesterday. I do. But today, with this is not what I want it to look like. I want it a little waist. Anyway, wow, I'm a lot today. Let me know if you guys like it. And if I go out today, I'm going to wear my Sheertex tights and probably some moto boots, maybe some cowboy boots, or just, actually I might wear these pretty little thing, chunky boots, just to keep it like monochrome, like a vibe. Yeah, so whatever I end up wearing, if I do get a chance, I'll show you guys. If not, you'll have to believe me. But yeah, she's a cowboy like, you're a cowboy like me. I'm gonna go finish jamming out to Evermore. Bye. Hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday before Christmas Eve. Bye. Hi guys, it's Christmas Eve. Pretty much not leaving the house for anything today. And I'm not even really getting dressed up, but I am going to go run some errands, and I am going to show you guys what I'm wearing. Something very casual. Basically, I'm wearing this red sweater. It's a turtleneck that my mom gave me like years ago. I've had it since like freshman year of college. I love it, and it reminds me of her, and it makes me, like, every time I'm a little sad and I miss her, I wear it. And then I'm wearing these cashmere joggers from Everlane, and then I'm wearing my black cowboy boots with my heavy duty socks underneath. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get some things that my brother wants, and then I'm gonna come back and maybe do laundry, maybe just like study and hang out. But yeah, this is it. Super casual, cozy. Me. Good morning, you guys. It's the day after Christmas. I'm about to go get a wax. I'm just wearing something chill and warm. I thought I'd show you guys because, you know, this is like a winter wears vibe, like what I'm wearing, so why not? I'm just wearing this Patagonia fleece, and my Champion sweatpants that you guys have already seen. This is just easy to take off, and I'm just wearing like a singlet underneath, like a black singlet from like American Eagle from a long time ago, just so that I have a layer underneath. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get a wax. I'm probably gonna get Joe juice after. It's December 28th, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today, that I will wear to the office, because I like it. Very Emma Hill inspired. If you guys don't follow her, you should. She's super, super cool. So I'm just wearing these blue jeans. They're actually for warm weather, a warm weather tip. Find like warm weather versions of what you already wear. These are blue jeans that are insulated from Carhartt. They're thrifted from Boston. They're a little bit bigger than they should be at the moment, but maybe I'll go get them taken in again. But they're super straight leg and essentially come all the way down. I'll show you guys in the mirror later. And then I'm wearing this black turtleneck and a gray blazer, a top, just to keep me warm. Cashmere socks, you guys, another tip for warmth. Just to get some cashmere socks because they're thin but pack a lot of warmth, which is why cashmere is a big thing. In terms of jewelry, I'm wearing my Missouri earrings, and yeah, I have my hair up because this is just how it is at the moment. Also, I forgot to tell you, this is thrifted from Poshmark from years ago, like 2015. This is from Everlane. And then for shoes, I wore my black italic sneakers that are basically kind of like the Common Projects, like all leather black sneakers, just to keep it to 3 colors, which is one of the things that Emma Hill always talks about. Keep outfits to 3 colors. Anyway, whatever. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next bit. Bye. Hi guys, it's Tuesday. I am feeling tired but alive, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. So on top I'm wearing this white turtleneck that I got from Everlane years ago. It's super old and it's discoloring, so I probably need to replace it. This thrifted blazer. Below that I'm wearing these dark navy, like wide leg pants that are also from Everlane. But they're like this like summer wool material, so I have my Uniqlo like heat tech leggings underneath, another winter wear tip, so that these pants now become an all-season pant. And I like them because they're just like my favorite, like easy to pull on, just super amorphous, long to the ground, wide leg, fit great pant. This outfit's definitely inspired by Emma Hill again, so hopefully that makes sense. And then I'm wearing the same shoes that I was wearing yesterday, and my same cashmere socks again from yesterday, just to keep warm. And these are so warm, you guys. Today was significantly colder, and I still didn't feel it in my feet because of these socks. So they're great, except for that one of them had a hole after the first time I wore it, but I've emailed them and I'll let you guys know what they say about that. But super warm, and then the heat tech, highly recommend. But yeah, that's the outfit for today. I'm going to show you guys in my full-length mirror so you guys see it all together. Alright guys, I'm back with my last outfit I think for this video, and it's the Wednesday before New Year's Eve, so December 29th? No, December 30th? Wow, I'm struggling. I can't do dates, as you guys have probably already surmised. I am wearing this thrifted suit, actually. Love this. I posted the photos in this on my Instagram, and then I have this sweater tied up here, this camel sweater. It's from Everlane, thrifted in West Virginia. This also like wool little shirt that I'm wearing underneath. Let me show you guys. It's also from Everlane, and it's just tucked in to my pants that are high-waisted. And then I am wearing these brown shoes. Wish I could show you guys it all full out, but maybe if I go all the way back. Whoa. Actually, no. Ixnay on that. Ixnay on that plan. Not now working. But yeah. And then I'm wearing these new earrings I got from Fulaba. This really cool brand that basically like puts jewelry heritage of Fulani people into the US market and makes it something that you guys can buy. And as you guys know, I am Fulani, so had to finally buy these and rep my homies, my peoples, and I'll link them down below. The person who started the brand is super cool. So yeah, this is the last fit. Oh, and my shoes are from Everlane, and I'm still wearing the cashmere socks, which are really, really good for me. And then my usual jewelry, thrifted, Missouri. All right, I'm gonna go have a good rest of the workday, I hope. Also, before I go, I'm gonna sign off this video, sending you guys lots of love, laughter, and positivity because you absolutely freaking deserve it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so that you know when I upload new videos, because I'm trying this thing called consistency. Anywho, let me know which of these outfits was your favorite, if there was one, and how you guys keep warm during the winter, because it's hard out here, especially for a California girl. This LA girl was not made for this. This Fulani girl was not made for this, but alas, here we are. See you guys. I'm in love with your body.